Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce something to you, how to use the KeyDIY, its unlocking cable, and the matching BDCO3 specific dismantling free clip. Add a KDFGB57 slave unit to the original car key for BDCO3. Now let's turn on the KeyDIY. Click Remote function. Click Smart Key, Clone. Click BMW BDCO3 key clone. Connection diagram. Now, let's follow the wiring diagram to connect the BDCO3 solder-free adapter clip properly. Now, let's take apart the original car key and then use the clip to hold it in place. Now plug the connector into the max. Click BMW BDCO3 key clone. Click Smart Key Clone. Read chip data. OK. Start execution. File saved successfully. Now place the FGB slave unit on the induction area. Click KDFGB type. Generation successful. Now the key can be put back in its case and then taken to the car for use.